Okay, before we get too far ahead of ourselves as far as the Camtasia is concerned, I want to introduce you to the Bamboo, the Wacom Bamboo Connect. Just a real quick little introduction. I have mine down here. I don't know why I have those shortcuts. I think I just made them and then I disregarded them. This is the Bamboo dock. This is kind of where everything happens for you. Let me just really quickly run you through this. There are tutorials. There are games. I like to play Mahjong on this thing from time to time, but mostly I just use it professionally. I'm not an artist, as you've probably seen from my videos. I'm a horrific artist. So let's go ahead and go to Bamboo paper, because this is where you're going to be doing most of your writing, like you would write on a chalkboard or a whiteboard. All right. So let me show you what I have. I have a calculus notebook and I have a pre-calculus notebook. Yours probably has, let's add a new one. You probably got something that looks like this. Right? This is my note. So I'm gonna show you how to make this, kind of customize it. I'm gonna name it, and the name that I'm gonna use, by the way, I'm just doing all of that with my mouse. So let's call this Exeter Conference. All right, and then what I'm going to do is, I'm actually using my stylus right now, and my stylus works just like a mouse. So you can use it. I set it up. You can customize how you want to use it, but for those users that don't want to customize it, it just comes out of the box, out of the can, as being able to use it just like a regular old mouse. I'm going to go down here to my settings, and I'm going to turn, I like to work on graph paper. So I'll turn the whole thing into graph paper. Again, you can, if you notice, if I can scroll left and right using my stylus, even though it's drawing, it'll disappear when I'm done. So I guess some people might want to use this weird pegboard stuff. You got like a to-do list. Watch if I open it up. See, I've got like to-do lists that I can check off. Ooh, look, I'm done. Go back here. Go back to my settings. I'm moving quickly through this, so if you get hung up, don't worry, don't sweat it. Over it. Notice it's still got the check mark there. It's just that the template has changed. And I can use just a real quick run through. I notice this. I've got it as an eraser because I hit this little eraser button. Most of you have used smart boards before, so that's pretty simple. And a lot of this you're just going to kind of play with as you work through it. So I can write. Notice I'm in eraser mode. And now I want to be in pen mode, and I want to make it black. So I clicked on that, and it goes away. I click on it, I can go black. I can go obnoxious blue. I can go obnoxious red. But let me show you this. I can go hi with a smiley face. If I hold down the stylus, that same little menu pops up. This tells me the thickness. So I can go hi. Hold it down, and you got to get used to this thing. It's touchy. The stylus has little clicker things on it. It's got like little mouse clicks on it I can use, which we'll go over together. All right, so I can hold it down. This just prevents me from using excuse me. This just prevents me from having to click up here every time I want to change colors. And I use a lot of different colors in my presentations. I'll also make it thin, and this is the thin guy in green. Okay, so that's the Bamboo tablet. It's full of tutorials. If I click over here on tutorials, oh boy, it's looking like draw to update and launch. I'll do that later, although you guys might want to do it now just to kind of run yourselves through the tutorials down the road. But by and large, I'll be able to answer any and all questions in the class. Okay, so I'll click on later, and there's your Wacom Bamboo. I think that's about it. I mean, it is quite frankly pretty straightforward. Ooh, something happened. Let's have a look-see. Oh, these are my tutorials. So we'll ignore those for a second. Get rid of that. And then what else did I miss? Your Bamboo settings. So you can work through this if you want to get more advanced with it. We can run you through them real quick. I believe, I can't remember, but I believe when you crack it open, it's going to ask you for some pretty basic settings in terms of how you want to set up your Bamboo. But we'll work through that together. Okay? So that's the Bamboo tablet.